Hi, welcome to the CamisOnline video tour. Upon logging into Camis, you'll be presented with the Camis home screen. Here you can access all the Camis modules, and they can be found as icons here in the centre of the home screen, or they can be accessed by the toolbar across the top. The advantage of the toolbar is whichever module you're in Camis, you can have quick access to all of the Camis modules, including the admin section here, where you can alter your Camis settings. So if we go back to the home screen, we'll take the tour and start with the customers module. So all Camis modules automatically enter into find mode by default, and we can see that they're in find mode because it says find next to the module name here in brackets, and all the fields here that we can search on are highlighted in blue. So to begin a search, we can just enter in a value into one of the fields. So if we wanted to find a customer who had the letter E anywhere in the customer name, we just simply put an E in there and press enter, and we can see that Camis has found 4 customers that meet this criteria. And we can use this multiple match search dialog to just browse through each of the customers that Camis has returned. Once we've found the customer that we'd like to edit or view, we can just click on them and close this window. And we can see now that the customers module's gone into edit mode. So we can change any of the details we like here, and once we're done, just click save. To enter a new customer, we just click the new button here, and we can see that the screen is in new mode. If we start to type the company name, and fill in the rest of the details. Once we're done, we can just click save, and we can see that Camis has generated a unique company code, which is comprised of the first 2 letters of the name and the next available number. And now that's saved our customer. We can use the buttons along the top as well. They're shortcuts, so we can go back into find mode, we can cancel changes, we can record events, and clicking this button here called more details allows us to define extra addresses for the customer, such as the invoice and delivery address. Once we have a customer on the Camis system, that information will flow through to the rest of the Camis modules. So if we just click on quotes, we can see we're into the quote screen now. It's in find mode. So if we wanted to find a quote that we know we've done before, which was for a pie, we can just put pie in the description field, and Camis will bring us back any quotes that match this criteria, and we can see the screen is automatically entered into edit mode, and we can go about and edit this quote. Or if we want, we can print it just by clicking the print button. When you print a quote, a new window will open up, and Camis will print the quote to your screen. You've got the option of printing it to your printer, or if you like, you can save it and export it as a PDF. To start a new quote, just go into the quotes module and click new. Start with a customer inquiry number if it's necessary, and then what you can do here is just find the customer from the customers module. So just click the find button, type in part of the customer name, click the customer, and we can see that the information is automatically populated into the quote screen, ready for us to edit. And then we can begin to enter items onto the quote. So very simply we can just put a unit price and a quantity. If we want to put additional items on the quote, just click new item and proceed to enter the item details as shown, and Camis will automatically total up the item price. And once we're finished, we just click save. Camis will generate a new quote number, which will be the next available number on the system, and then we can easily go to print the quote.